Hello, artists! Today we're learning about optical illusion art. Optical illusion art is just another way of saying we're going to make art that tricks your eye. Optical means eye, illusion means trick. So we're going to trick your eye with our art. You're going to start with a blank piece of paper, and always the first thing we do is we write our name. I like to write my name in the top corner very lightly so that if I have to erase later, it's easier to erase if I needed to use the back of my paper because I made a mistake. There's no problem with our name. So very lightly in the corner, I'm writing my name and then I flip it over so I can't see it. Now you're going to start by making lines down your paper, and they don't need to be straight lines, they can be squiggly, but we don't want them to be too crazy. So you just start and make a wiggly line down your paper and then do another one. It can be close to this, it could be far away, up to you. I'm going to start this one a little closer. And they're not too crazy. I'm not spending a ton of time making these lines because later we're going to trace these in Sharpie. And if we spend too much time making the lines in pencil, then we're going to spend a lot of time tracing them in Sharpie. And that would just be tiring for our hands. So for right now, we're just making simple squiggly lines. The next step is going to be to add concave and convex lines in between all of these. Concave lines are lines that go down in like a cave. Has the word cave in it. It's very easy to remember. Convex lines are lines that go up and out. So we're going to start with concave lines, and I'm just going to be doing lines that go down in. It's just a little scoop. It's like a straight line, but it's just curved a little bit down. And you're just going to do that all the way down. So if I choose concave lines for the first section of my squiggle, all of them are going to be concave. They're all going to be going down. I'm not going to switch halfway through one section because it would not turn into an optical illusion. So now that I have all concave lines here, the next section is going to be all convex lines. I like to line my pencil up with the last line, but instead of going down this time, convex lines go up. So we're going to go up. And you can just connect them like that and go up instead of down. And you do that all the way down that section, and you stop when you get to the next line. So all of these are convex. And then the next section is going to be concave again. So they're going to go down. I'm going to start my pencil where the last line ended and just go down now. And we're going to repeat this pattern of concave, then convex, all the way across my paper. In every section, there's going to be some type of line. So concave, convex, concave, convex. And we're going to fill up our paper with these lines. And when we're done, we're going to trace every line of our paper in Sharpie. So we don't need to push too hard right now, because if we make a mistake, we can erase it. But then also, we don't need to push too hard because later the lines will automatically get darker because we're tracing in Sharpie. So you do not need to worry about pushing too hard or drawing dark so you can see it. We'll be able to see it later. Once your paper is set up kind of like a wavy checkerboard, you are good to go and you can Sharpie your work. We always trace and then erase the extra pencil marks. Hope you had fun making this, boys and girls. Bye!